Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all well and you're having a lovely day. We have another gorgeous little mulberry to show you today. This is a mulberry mini Alexa. I think this is one of my new favourite mulberry styles actually. It's just super cute and I love it in this colour as well. So this is the colour chalk. I think this is just a lovely kind of autumn wintry neutral colour. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one leather plaited top handle and we also have a removable strap. You can see it clips on either side and it is adjustable too, so we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. And then we have got a flap closure and it's got two belts which have magnetic press stud fastens, you can see like that. And then we've got a little mini mulberry postman's lock as well. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside we have got a handbag, a mono handbag liner in there as well, which is going to keep that interior really nice and clean and keep that shape really nicely as well. But you can see inside the main bag we've got a suede lining, we've just got one flat pocket here. The condition of it is really gorgeous. We've called the exterior very good. It is almost perfect, almost in a kind of brand new condition. You can just see that there's literally, and I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on the camera because it is very slight, but there's very slight scratching, a couple of smaller scratches on this leather top handle, but other than that it is perfect. I will show you all those corners, and that shape again you can see is perfect, which is going to have been helped by that handbag liner too. And it's just very gorgeous. There's no marks at all other than that tiny slight scratch on the top handle, but other than that it's perfect. The hardware is excellent. You can see that a lot of it actually still has that kind of plastic seal on it, so that is all still in very nice condition. And then the interior, again, we've called that very good because it's so close to excellent. And in fact we're being very picky. There's just kind of, you know when suede gets that little bit of a fray texture, so it's very slightly started to do that, especially just here. But other than that, again, it's perfect. There's no marks, it's perfectly clean inside there. So it's in a gorgeous condition. I'm going to show you what it comes with after I get it closed. So just turn that down lock. It comes with, again, obviously we've got that handbag liner, which is going to keep that interior really nice and pristine. And then we've got a little mulberry card sleeve, which got a mulberry care card inside there. And then we have the mulberry dust bag. If you'd like a few more details on this bag, you'll be able to find them on our website, and you can go to the link in the description below and it should hopefully take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you're a mulberry lover or you've just seen this on our YouTube, you've fallen in love with that and you want to get your hands on one, but by the time you get to our website it's gone, let us know, get in contact with us. We'll put you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll get an email alert with a link to shop, and then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, and I'm 5'4", and with that removable strap, which is on the shortest setting at the minute, I can pop it with my shoulder, I can pop it crossbody, and I think this is a really nice kind of casual everyday bag because it is miniature, but you have the space for the essentials in there. I would put my phone, I put my purse, and maybe a couple of bits of makeup. You can definitely get the essentials into there, and you can even have it without that strap and just have it as a little top handle bag, which is super cute as well. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this adorable little bag on our website, sign up to our newsletter, we're on there to keep yourself updated, but we will also send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. Have a look at the House Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags, and don't forget, while you're here, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. We have new bags to show you pretty much every day, so hit that alert button and you won't miss out on any of them, and we will see you very soon with some more.